Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lightning talk presented to you through Johns Hopkins University to represent their Earth Day. My name is Sherana Key. I am the GIS/engineer technician for the city of Shelbyville in Kentucky. I am pursuing the Master's of Science at Johns Hopkins University in Geographic Information Systems. Today I'm going to talk to you about if it's on the ground, it's in your water. Enjoy the presentation. Did you know that storm drains like this one pictured lead to a nearby body of water? Not only does rain from impervious surfaces flow into drains, but also anything dumped or dropped on the ground or in the gutter. As you can see from the photo on the right, a water pipe break is being pumped out with all of that excess sediment into the next storm drain. This was an illicit discharge into our city of Shelbyville storm system. When events like this happen in local communities, citizens should report these illicit discharges so that responsible parties and municipalities can get the systems cleaned out and cleaner waterways for you to fish, swim, boat, and perform any other recreational activities in. You may ask yourself, what can I do to help keep our water cleaner? Well, I am here to give you just a few examples of what you can do in your own community. First, pick up after your pet. We are not the only ones who can leave mess behind. Secondly, dispose of oils and other chemicals by the directions on the packaging. And third, but certainly not least, by washing your car at commercial locations or at the very least on an unpaved surface such as your yard, so that the ground can soak it up. I challenge you that the next time you are walking along the streets of your community, that you look to see how your community is trying to educate you about your storm drain systems. The city of Shelbyville uses these discs to place near storm drains to educate our public and get our young adults involved with volunteer groups, so that they can have an understanding of why our storm system is so important to our city, the city that they're growing up in. Remember, if it's on the ground, it's in your water. Thank you for listening to one of this week's Lightning Talks. All photos were either taken by the creator or they were outsourced from Pixabay. We must give credit where credit is due. Thank you for your time.